Hi, my name is Joyce. I'm an IT engineer. In this class, we're going to talk about what is a chatbot, how to make a chatbot with the help of Microsoft Azure and its artificial intelligence, and how this technology can help us to utilize process in the real world. Let's get started. Intelligent machines are no longer a futuristic movie prospect. They're in our present and are defining our era. There are several new types of machine and software available that are known as bots. These are computing programs intended to perform a repetitive action many times. They have inner logic roles, assignments, or decisions, making that may or may not be autonomous. So, what about a chatbot? Well, a chatbot's main goal is to establish a current conversation with humans so that we can feel like we're talking with another human. But this itself is a bot because it performs a conversational flow over and over again. And how does artificial intelligence relate to a chatbot? Nowadays, AI is used to perform certain tasks and basic decisions. We can see this when we are interacting with a chatbot, since it's able to relate the data entries, for example, names or specific topics, and link them with the data to return a result, much like a search engine, which nowadays also include AI in their algorithms. Surely, you've already interacted with one of them, such as Domino's chatbot to order a pizza, eBay chatbot to search for your favorite products, or one of them on WhatsApp, Twitter, or Messenger platforms. What is a chatbot for, you may ask? Well, chatbots are usually used to improve the user experience, focusing on self-service and process automation. In other words, to perform common tasks such as scheduling an appointment, updating a password, or requesting information in a way that they are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Well, always available. Knowing this, we can start creating one ourselves. You don't need to know any programming language at the moment. All you need is your creativity. We start on the Q&A service page. We log in and make sure our tenant, subscription, and service are correct. Click on Create a Knowledge Base and then click to create the Q&A service. We'll be redirected to the Azure portal where we must create a resource group if we don't have one. Give it a name and the type of price. Make sure that the location you choose has cognitive service. Validate and create. We go to our created resource and verify that our keys are ready. We go back to Q&A Maker and refresh the page to update it. Once it's identified, choose the language of our chatbot. Once you choose it, you can change it. Name your knowledge base. In this part, we can upload a Word, PDF, Excel document with the question and answer of our chatbot. We choose the personality of our chatbot. I will choose enthusiastic. Then click on Create. Here we will create our question with their answers. I will create about Singer's Curious Facts. You can add pictures, emojis, and also links to the answers. It's better to have variation of a question so that the AI can predict our answer. I'm going to add in this part a YouTube link. When we are sure of our question and answers, click on Save and Train and test it. We can inspect the answer by clicking on Inspect. And we see a probability percentage of the possible answer. Even if we misspell it, it will give us an assertive answer. Then we are sure of our chatbot. Let's just click on publish. With this link, we can place our chatbot in an application or a web page. But for this case, we will only use Azure, so click on Create Bot. We choose the price and the type of language of our preference. I will choose Node.js. Click on Validate. We go to our resource and go to the channel section. In this section, we can connect our chatbot in an easier way to different platforms. If you choose Teams, accept the terms and conditions and log in. You should see your chatbot like this. If you want to add more questions, you can go to your knowledge base and follow the steps before. We add another question and the answer. Save and train and publish. Test it. And if you don't like the answer, you can also change the answer. Yay! We create our chatbot. We can say that it's a versatile tool with high availability and its future on the way is impressive. In the way that you can imagine it, in more detail, let me give you an example. Have you seen today's call center operators? They are operated by humans, and there are many complaints from customers, either because of the treatment or because they don't receive the answer they expect. Imagine now that you implement a chatbot that has an advanced artificial intelligence that has learned from all this previous experience. It will have an effective performance, the interaction will feel real, and our customers will feel more comfortable, listened to, and their requests will be attended in a more assertive way. The formula to create a good chatbot is to find a necessity that can be automatic and your creativity. If you have more questions about chatbot, you can let me know. I hope this class has stimulated in you the curiosity and creativity to develop a chatbot, either for your needs or the needs of your company. See you soon and thank you.